So I think that the tools and the frameworks that we were given for thinking about things like what's the competitive landscape, what is your value proposition? These are things that we need to think about as folks that are developing platforms, the folks that are developing programs. And it's sometimes difficult if you don't have a background in those kind of things to be thinking in that way. But I found that it was incredibly helpful, and not only for the project that we're working on now, but also that these are tools and frameworks that we can use for any other project going forward.
Meeting everybody in the like a lot of the players in the SGCI community and developing those personal relationships, and I think that that's really helpful when you want to take advantage of other services that the SGCI has to offer.
The value to be generated and to be extracted from the bootcamp far outweighs any cost of attending if that is an issue. I would say on merit, the bootcamp offers a lot of value, practical value, that can have a direct impact upon the science you are doing and upon the results, the hard results of the solutions you are trying to generate.